Hello everyone, Sandeep here. I'm welcoming you in our channel. Today's video is regarding algo trading. So tomorrow is 20th January 2021. So as per the news and global markets, I'm thinking about a bearish Indian market. So if Indian market is bearish, then I'm thinking that USD INR will be bullish. So I'm deploying a algo which has conditions. The following conditions: I will buy 25 USD INR futures if USD INR crosses above 50 EMA or closes above opening range, that is 15 minutes range. And one of these conditions with one of these conditions I will combine if USD INR's close price crosses above VWAP. Any one of these two conditions also combines or meets with a VWAP line. That means if the USD INR closes above VWAP or crosses above VWAP on 5-minute candle frame using Heikinesi candle type chart, so I will initiate a buy trade. So these are automatic buy sell conditions. So trade will be placed automatically. The exit conditions are the 25 quantity of USD futures. If crosses USDF, if the USD future crosses below 50 EMA or at stop loss of 0.3% or target profit of 0.6% at 5 minutes candle interval using Heikinesi chart. So my risk reward would be 1:2. That means 1 rupee stop loss and 2 rupees profit. So this trade will be initiated automatically, no manual intervention needed. I'm using Zerodha broker and Strict platform right now for algo trading. So I will post explanation about these trades. My approximate risk for 25 lots is near about 5,500 on 0.3% of stop loss. So let us see what happens tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Take care.